Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this smartphone. So, to record calls, just open phone application, click on the right top corner, click on the three dots, click settings, and here under voicemail you will see call recording feature. But I have not this feature, as you can see, because on the countries when the laws restricting the call recording, this feature is not available, and in my case it's unavailable too. So in my case, and maybe in your case, we need to use third-party applications. So I suggest to use Cube ACR. This is the best app because you can use it completely for free without ads. So just install this app and click open, click next, grant permissions while using the app, allow, enable app connector, scroll down, find your installed apps, find Cube ACR and click enable, allow, go back, allow, okay, go eat, allow, no thanks, okay, and great. Of course you can pay for it to have cloud backup, upload with PIN, instant post call actions, but we don't need these features. And great! So now just go to home screen, click on the three sticks buttons to open recent apps, click on the Cube ACR icon and click keep open. And great! Now all your calls will be automatically recorded, but you need to know that if you have no root access on your device, this application will record sounds only from your mouse, okay, only from your mouse, because it recording only from microphone. So if you want to pick up the voice from you and from your communication partner, you need to use external speaker when calling. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.